Hello, myself Dr. Humaira. I am from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon Nasik. Now my lecture is based on function of skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles are packed into the skeletal tissues. They are attached over the bony skeleton. Their fibers are largest one and they show strips, hence they are also known as striations and can be controlled voluntarily. Skeletal muscle is also known as hence voluntary muscles. The voluntary muscles or skeletal muscles is helpful for the contract contraction relaxation of the different organs. For that purpose, the all locomotions and manipulation of the body functions is actively performed. The skeletal muscle respond quickly. That's why we change our body according to the external environment. The blood supply of the skeletal muscle work rhythmically and by the help and maintain the blood pressure. So in such a way the skeletal muscle perform functions. The next function of the skeleton is nothing but the maintaining posture. The skeletal muscle itself is made by the help of the external covering which is known as epimysium. Inside of it, the bundles of the muscle fibers are covered by thin membrane known as perimysium. Inside of the perimysium, muscle fibers are located in the muscle bundles. These muscle fibers are made by the help of endomysium and completely form skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles are attached to the bone by the help of tendon. So, in short, the attachment of the bone to the tendon takes place by the help of myofibrils. Many myofibrils form or included into the endomysium. The endomysium is responsible for the formation of the perimysium and the combination of the perimysium itself is useful for the form of epimysium. Among them, blood vessels, nerve fibers are present and their outer covering is nothing but the sarcolemma. So, this is the structure of muscle fiber. As you know, its control is voluntarily, hence it is also known as voluntary skeletal muscle. The main function of the skeletal muscle is nothing but the maintaining posture. It maintains our body posture and enable ourselves to maintain and in an erect position and seated position, never ending downward pull of gravity. This is one of the important function of skeletal muscle. The next function of it is stabilizing joints. Our body joined to each other. Many joints are there. Each joint is made by the help of the bones or the cartilage. They join to each other, make a skeleton, and the attachment of the joints to each other takes place by the help of these skeletal muscle fibers, which is helpful to perform movement of bones by the help of pulling the muscles. The movement of skeleton takes place in such a way stabilizing of joints occur by the help of skeletal muscles. The next function of skeletal muscle is nothing but the generating heat. For airy work, heat is required, and due to the contraction and relaxation of these muscle fibers and myofilaments, heat is generated, and this heat is important in maintaining normal body temperature. So this is also one of the most important function. The next function of the skeletal muscle is support soft tissues. Inside of the body, soft tissues are there, which is very much helpful to maintain body posture, to perform different functions. Our abdominal wall and floor of pelvic cavity consist of the layer of muscles that support the weight of visceral organs and shield internal tissues from injury. So in such a way, this function is also performed by the help of skeletal muscle, and hence it fulfills its function in the form of support soft tissues. The last function of the skeletal muscle is nothing but the guard entrances and exits. In our body, many openings are there. That means opening of digestive system, opening of urinary tracts, opening of ear, eye, nose. Such openings are guarded by the help of skeletal muscles and protect such openings by external as well as internal environment, protect them from harmful effects from the substance which is present outside of the environment, outside of the body and inside of the body. In such a way, they guard our openings present in the body. The openings, besides openings, the voluntary functions are also controlled by skeletal muscle in the form of the swallowing. Swallowing of the food takes place. In some cases, food itself has some hard particles. By the help of this skeletal muscle, the functioning of swallowing is performed easily. Defecating is also a phenomenon by which the toxic substances are eliminated from the body. This function is also performed very smoothly by the help of these muscles. And urination, this is also one of the phenomena which is helpful for removal of harmful substance from our body. So during the urination, also skeletal tissues perform very important function and protect our body from outside of the environment and inside of the body environment also. In such a way, different functions performed by the help of skeletal muscle fibers and provide us very proper functioning of our life. So thank you very much. This is the nothing but the functions of the skeletal muscle fiber. Thank you.